Welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and this is Gander Radio. That's weak here. Let's try 13270. Not better. Let's go back to. So when you tune the Tecsun PL-330, you can fine tune up to the 10th hertz. This is available only in single sideband mode, so you cannot tune to 10 hertz when you're in AM mode, listening to international broadcasts, for example. And it's pretty much useless to do so anyways, because AM signals are so wide that, you know, tuning in 10 hertz is not something you want to do. So in single sideband, to fine-tune the voice and fine-tune the signals, now tuning to 10 hertz is useful. How do you do the fine-tuning? So you see that there's an arrow above the number. It's a small little arrow. Right now what that is telling me is that if I tune in 1 kilohertz steps. Oops, I'm just gonna get out of this here. So 1 kilohertz steps is where I'm tuning right now. So if I want to tune, here we go, 1 kilohertz. So you can tune 5 kilohertz steps. You can fine tune at 1 kilohertz steps by pressing the step button. And if you press the step button, notice how it changes the arrow. It's blinking. That means you changed mode. Now you're at 5 kilohertz steps. Step again, it moved to the 10 hertz. Now I'm actually tuning 10 hertz at a time. So you gotta follow where the arrow is when you press the step button. And then of course going back, you're back to the kilohertz at 1 kilohertz steps to tune around the signal. So the step button and the arrow, it cycles through 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10 hertz, back to 1 kilohertz. Once again, the step is for 10 hertz is only available in single sideband mode. If you are in AM mode, so if I go to an AM signal, for example, I'm going to go and tune African Pathways here on 965. If I tune here, now that step button, what it does, oops, here I'm on ETM mode, so that step button will simply change from 1 kilohertz steps to 5 kilohertz steps. So you tune 1 or 5 kilohertz in AM mode. And of course, once again, in single sideband, the step button cycles you through 1 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10 hertz, back to 1 kilohertz. So I hope that you understood how to change the step size in the Tecsun PL-330. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.